Hello there, this is Irene Zaragoza for Hungry Buddies. Today we have the Gooey brownies, and for our ingredients we have this all-purpose flour, which is 300 grams with 100 grams of cocoa powder, and then I added 1 teaspoon of baking powder in this. And for this, sugar, brown sugar, 400 grams, and the granulated sugar, which is 250 grams. So we have to mix them. Next, we have the butter, which is 150 grams. Let me do this. All we need to do is just to mix them all together. And we have this 60 grams of caro light corn syrup. Next, we have to mix. Add the eggs one at a time. I have 6 eggs. Wow, that looks creamy. Next, we have to add our dry mixture to the batter. Looks creamy. The last mixture. Perfect. Very creamy and thick. Then I have here a greased pan, 9 by 13. All I need to do is just to spread them in the pan. You wrap this individually like the butterscotch. They will love this. It's so thick. You can mix this too with your nuts of preference, like peanuts or cashew nuts. I have pecan nuts, so I can just spread them on top. Then this goes in the oven, 320 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. And see you in a little bit. It's time to check our ooey gooey brownie. But I have to tell you this. I told you earlier it was 320 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. There is an adjustment on that. And we noticed it won't get cooked yet on that range of time, length of time. So we have to extend it 320 degrees, 30 to 35 minutes. Let's check it. It's out from the oven. Look, it smells so good. We have to let this cool for another 30 minutes, and then after that we can cut this into bars, and you can wrap it in this cellophane. This one, this big. This is pre-cut, so we'll see. It's time for us to cut it, and I'll show you how to pack it. One by one, wrap it. Wow, look at that. It's so moist, and it's not very sweet. It's so good. And then you can wrap this individually like so. And then you can make this for your business. See that? You can do it like this. Twist the ends and do it like that. I made it like this today. Here you go. This is still warm. Look. Yes. Beautiful. And one more. One more. What's good about this is when you wrap it, you can squeeze it and make the shape uniform. See? Beauty. Like so. Like so. Let's try gooey gooey brownie. It's so good. Very good. I suggest when you make this, make your nuts smaller. Like small, chop your nuts, not like this big. Because when you cut it, it's on the way. But if you want it big, see to it that in every square there is only one of this or two. That would be great. Anyways, this is really very good. Try this for your business. Give it a try. This is very moist and gooey. Moist and soft and gooey. This is Irene Zaragoza for Hungry Buddies. Thanks for watching.